I was waiting for them to come this morning, and it felt like I am waiting for the executioners to come. This is really a member of our family. It's been there all my life. I was born just here in the bedroom behind us, and so this is the tree I grew up with. So, you know, it's been in my life for 54 years. I'm one of 5 kids, and we all played under here. And it's been there for our parties and for our, you know, weddings. And then every cut, it's a slow, painful death by dismemberment. An insurance company who insure the building over there found a couple of roots in the garden, one 2mm root and 2 1mm roots, and those roots are deemed to be trespassing. And an insurance company just wants to remove absolutely any shred of risk that their building might have subsidence.
I was asked to quote for removing the tree or reducing the tree several weeks ago, and basically I couldn't bear to take it down. I just hate taking trees out when I can see that there's not a good reason for it. In this case, it's, this tree has enormous value. It's been here for 150 years or more, and could easily be here for another 200 or even 300 years.
But thousands of mature trees like this plane are being felled or cut back each year across Britain, victims of an increasingly risk-averse and lawsuit-happy society.
My dad's been fighting this for 3 years now. I'm 84. There's a limit to how much you can fight. Oh God. It's just vandalism. And not by the guy up there. He's not the vandal. The vandal is the insurance company and the lawyers who've acted for them, and the tree so-called expert who just said this tree's responsible, bring it down. He just ticked the boxes.
I think it's happening everywhere. I mean, certainly around London. We're on clay in London anyway, so there are subsidence issues, especially with Victorian properties that have shallow foundations anyway. So they're more vulnerable to moving soils. And yeah, it's definitely a huge problem in London. And trees have been taken down so unnecessarily, and lots of very nice trees. It's absolutely tragic.
I mean, the tree is, 150, 200 years old, and so far it's taken them about 4.5 hours to get rid of, I guess, 2/3 of the canopy's gone now. Yeah, chainsaws are very efficient. And then apparently it's going for firewood. We kind of hoped it might go for some, you know, nice pieces of furniture somewhere, because it's a lovely straight trunk, lovely straight bit of timber, but no, it will be chopped up and go for firewood.
No single villain is to blame for this war on our trees. Rather, it's the combined effect of councils, insurance companies, new developments, CCTV operators, and residents that are hostile or just indifferent.
You're going to plant anything in its place?
We're going to plant the same damn tree. When it reaches its state, 150 years' time, I don't think the East Royal Sun and Alliance will actually still be in existence to worry about it. Oh gosh. That's it.